In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Cloudflare account password. Whether you simply want to update your password for added security or have forgotten it altogether, this guide will walk you through every step you need to take, ensuring a smooth and successful password reset process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Cloudflare website and log into your account. If you're already a Cloudflare user, this should be a familiar step. If not, don't worry, just enter your login credentials as you normally would. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on the Continue with Google option. This is particularly useful if you've linked your Cloudflare account to a Google account. Clicking this option simplifies the login process, ensuring you're logged in with just a couple of clicks. Once you're prompted, choose the Google account that is associated with your Cloudflare account. This ensures that you maintain a smooth, hassle-free process as you navigate through the subsequent steps. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile photo. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu that gives you access to various account settings. In this drop-down menu, you'll need to click on My Profile. This option redirects you to your personalized account settings page. Here you can manage your account details, including email notifications, subscriptions, and yes, of course, your password. After entering your profile, you'll find numerous tabs, including one labeled Authentication. Clicking on this tab will bring you to the security settings for your account. Now look for the Change Password option. This is the gateway to ensuring your Cloudflare account is protected with a new, robust password. Click on this to proceed further. You will now be prompted to enter your current password. It's important to have this on hand as you'll need it to confirm your identity before making any changes to your password settings. Once you've entered your old password, you'll need to type in the new password you would like to set. Remember, it's crucial to create a password that's strong, ideally combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This step is vital for ensuring your account remains secure against potential breaches. Finally, once you've chosen your new password and entered it correctly, locate and click on this Save button. This confirms your new password and completes the password reset process. Be sure to remember this new password or store it somewhere safe to avoid going through these steps again. That's it! You've successfully reset your Cloudflare account password. Following these steps ensures your account remains secure and protected. Thank you for watching, and as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, be sure to drop them in the comments below.